Welcome, everybody. I'm Blockchain Crusader here. We are about to crusade through these blockchains. Smash those likes, hit that like if you haven't already, and let's get rocking and rolling. The markets are green, baby. We're in the bull market. We're feeling good. But what is Bitcoin doing here? Is Bitcoin going to keep pumping? Right? Is it? Where is it headed next? Right? Is it 100K, 80K, 90K? We're going to be talking about that here today. We're going to be talking about some altcoins, where they headed, how they've been doing, right? Where are we all looking at, right? And we'll answer all the questions. We'll look at all the different cryptos you guys are mentioning. Yes, we will get to Produce AI 100%. Been keeping an eye on that one. Donna says, hello, bro. Thanks for the helping all. That I greatly appreciate, man. I will help you out anytime. Says DM Durko says, Produce AI is about to rip. Let's freaking go. So let's look here, guys. This is the market right there, rocking, ripping, and rolling. So let's take a look over here at Bitcoin. Where's my Bitcoin chart? My Bitcoin chart is not loaded. Let me load my Bitcoin chart. Then we'll get into Produce AI. As you can see here, we're in this nice upward trend for Bitcoin. We had a nice swing fail down here of this price action of the previous all-time high, and we have pumped up since then, and we're slowly climbing on the way up. So we're at 73,200 right now, and then the question becomes, what is the next price target, right? What is the next price target? Are we headed for, well, what are we headed for? Let me turn off some of these levels here because they're getting a little bit annoying. We don't need this many levels. There we go. So that being said, here we are, right? Where are we headed next? Where are we headed next, man? We gotta zoom this thing out. Yeah, zoom out to the weekly here. Very nice. Very, very nice. Big, nice U shape here. Big, nice U shape right here. Right. U shape. But we'll get back to this. We'll get back to the Bitcoin price here. We'll hit Chlor, baby. That's right. We're gonna be talking about Chlor. We're gonna be talking about a lot of different other cryptos. We'll get back to Bitcoin's TA in just a minute. Let's check in on Cock-a-Doodle-Doo first, since I already have it pulled up here. Let's check out Cock-a-Doodle-Doo. I posted a video today updating you guys about this. We have since then broken below the value area high of this range for Cock-a-Doodle-Doo, coming to the point of control and having a little bit of a bounce off the point of control right here of 5607, having a little bounce. Even if we lose this point of control and come down to this value area low, this is still very, very bullish for CAC Inu. We need to see consolidation. We need to see accumulation at these ranges of 300, 400 mil market cap, right? To really consolidate. Look how long CAC Inu consolidated down here. Look how long this consolidation was, guys. From when we broke into this range, right? When we broke into this range until we officially broke out of it, it was 70 days. 70 days before we officially broke out of this range and didn't come back in. So can we consolidate here? I'm not saying we're going to consolidate for 70 days, but we've only been here for a few days. Give me a second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. All right, we're back. So we can consolidate here for a few days before we start moving back upwards. That's still very bullish for Kaki. And you guys smash those likes, hit that subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys in here. I love every single one of you guys. God bless all of you guys in here. Thank you so much for joining. You could be anywhere, but you are here. All right, so let's jump over to what's the next one? Let's take a look at no, not the Kulo token. I know Kulo token has been doing really well. It's pumping back up actually. Kulo token. This is a Matic meme coin. Has had an astronomical rise here in the last couple of days. We're at 36 mil market cap and rising. Let's freaking go. It's a Matic play, which is low gas fee, so really, really cool. What was I gonna look at? I was gonna look at AXGT, Axon DAO, baby. Axon DAO. Look at this bad boy. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? That's right, baby. We're consolidating. We've been consolidating. And boom, blast off time. Today, we're up literally 39%, give or take. We're up. We pulled back a little bit. Up at 508 mil market cap. Let's freaking go. That deserves the blow horn, if anything. Team Moist, are we waiting now for Bitcoin to take a dump so altcoins can rally? If Bitcoin dumps, the altcoins are not going to rally. If Bitcoin dumps, right? Which I am expecting to have a retest of the $55,000 to $56,000 price level of Bitcoin, right? Maybe we don't get that low. Maybe we just come down to 63 and that really does hold again and we come back up higher. But overall, I do think 56 to 55 is very possible in the cards for Bitcoin. But we'll get back to that. That being said, if that happens, altcoins are not going to rally. Altcoins are going to bleed even more. So definitely get prepared for that. That's why I'm holding some capital on the side. I am holding some dry powder on the side to be able to buy that dip if that dip presents itself for the altcoins. So I can buy really cheap altcoins. So Axon DAO, ripping, rocking, and rolling. Let's freaking go. Up 39% today. Let's freaking go. I love this project. This is the biggest decentralized science project out there right now. It's been doing nothing but printing freaking money, and I love it. I freaking love it. So let's check that. Let's jump over to Produce AI. I know somebody was asking about it. PRA. Where are we at with this thing? We are at 5.4 mil market cap. As you can see here, we've had a downward trend forming, right? We had a bit of a downward trend here, give or take. We will see. Can we break this downward trend, right? We also have, you can put a little support line right here, give or take, right? So we'll see if we can break out of this to the upside and start pumping back up. I think it can. This bull market is still early. This crypto, I like what it's doing. Produce AI shipping all these actual produce containers all around the world. They buy more containers, the more people buy the coin, right? So and then they rev share their revenue with shareholders, with the coin holders, and they're shipping out limes. They're shipping out mangoes, avocados, blueberries, and they break down all the profit and revenue and all the stuff. So looks like a very sustainable business model. Very high risk play. This is a micro cap crypto, micro cap, not micro crap, micro cap crypto. So very high risk here. But if they play their cards right, I think this could be very, very beneficial. So, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe if you haven't already. Where can you buy Produce AI? On Uniswap. Go to Uniswap, type and or you can go to Dex Screener, which is what I'm on right now. You go to Dex Screener, get the token, the contract address up here in the right-hand corner. You click on it, you copy the token address, and then you can paste it into Uniswap, and you can trade for it. So that's where you get it right now, Uniswap, the decentralized DEX. How you feeling about Produce AI, bro? Right, this pullback sucks, right? We hit 18 mil market cap and we pulled back. But it happens, man. It happens. The market overall was very wonky, right? Even now, we're still seeing some red in the crypto markets, right? We're only seeing a little bit of some decent green for the meme coins and a few other cryptos, but the market is really kind of steady. And yesterday, the market was even more red overall. So the market right now is kind of like a stagnant momentum that doesn't really know what it's gonna do. So I don't expect the impossible from a low micro cap crypto to just be blasting off, right? So this is a long-term play for me. I threw a few $100 at it, and I'm gonna see where it can go. I'm gonna see how far I can take it. At least some of these things you just gotta be patient with it, and you just know that it's a high risk play. It's a very high risk play. I've been trying to get into Produce AI, perfect opportunity. Let's freaking go, Jay-Z. Let's freaking go. Alf.im. I'm not zero. Yeah, Alpha is looking pretty good. Let's see here. Saw your video on Kulo. Think it's going to 100 mil market cap easy, dude. I hope you're right, Rubicon. I hope you're right, and that Kulo does pump to 100 mil market cap. I don't know if it will or if it doesn't. I don't make price predictions on meme coins like that. The only price prediction I've ever made on a meme coin is Kakinu, just because it's been around for so long. I definitely think it's got all the things that it needs to potentially reach $1 billion market cap. But I don't know, right? That's the only one I'm willing to make any type of price prediction on. Everything else is out there. So I hope you're right, and I hope Kulo does pump to 100 mil, bro. I freaking hope you're right. So somebody said Syncus. I'll hit Syncus here. Let me see where I got it pulled up right here, baby. Let's freaking go. So Syncus is down 4.6% today. We're sitting at 173 mil market cap. We were at 200 mil earlier today, and since then we've pulled back. Right, guys, sideways consolidation. This is what this project needs. This project needs to have sideways consolidation. I've already talked multiple times about the 70%, 60% dip that has occurred. Right, talked about it multiple times. This dip right here is about, let me see, bang bang, 62%, give or take. We've seen it in the past over here where it's dipped 70%. Both of these dips here were 79% and 70 something percent. And it took them 16 to 20 days to recover before pumping back up. This thing had an astronomical move of 500, almost 600%, and now it had a 60% drop. It needs to consolidate sideways. It needs to find its foundation, and it needs to get rid of that 50% on staking fee for people to feel confident to getting back into the project. That needs to happen. That needs to happen for this project to continue moving back up. I think it definitely can. I think it can definitely keep moving. I don't see why not. They just need to get some things together, and the drop doesn't worry me. That's expected after a 600% move. But what worries me is the 50% staking that does need to be fixed, or unstaking fee tax, whatever they call it. That does need to be fixed. I find that completely not fair. That's a big load of chakalaka. So they need to fix that to have their investors, their holders feel confident in this crypto. So, but I think overall the dip, it will recover from the dip and it'll keep moving back up to the upside. Let me see here. What are your thoughts on Telcoin chart? It broke out of a massive range. I think it's going to run hard. So I'll take a look at that. I don't know what Telcoin is. Let's see, what is Telcoin? Telcoin, number 221, 448 mil. Market cap up 18% today. Let's freaking go. 84% on the week. 292% on the month. Man, oh man. All right, what market is this available on? KuCoin, Uniswap, and that's pretty much it. So let's go take a look at Telcoin. Tel, USDT, Tether, KuCoin. Let's go. Let's go. Let's jump onto the daily. Okay. Big move here. Big move. Big move. Okay. I see what you're doing, man. I see what you're doing. Okay. So let's get a range here. Actually, let's just get some local levels. Let's get some local resistances here. Let me turn this off. All right, here we go. Horizontal. Turn my magnet on. Bang. That's about it for the yearly. All right, let's jump down to the 6 months. Bang. Jump down to the 3 months. Nothing there. Jump down to the monthly. Nothing really there. I mean, there's a little bit here. I guess I could mark this one. Let's jump down to the weekly. Some local levels, some local support and resistance. Bang. Bear with me, guys. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe already if you haven't. Let's jump down to the daily. Almost done here. And right around here. Along with boom. That looks good. So what I just did here was pretty much target and adjust a bunch of resistance and support levels. We're currently nowhere near that resistance, that first level of resistance here at 0.0079. That's going to be the next big link of resistance. Obviously, we are very overbought right now, as you can see here on the daily, very overbought. Should have some type of cool off since we had such an extensive move to the upside. So let's get some more local levels here. As you can see, let's get the local ranges. So for basically for November, this entire range is going to be very tight up until where we're at right now. November all the way to November 30th. Boom, very tight range. And then the developing range for March. Where are we at? Yeah, very explosive growth to the upside here. Overall, next big target is 0.007. We could have a pullback before then since we are just so overbought, but I don't want to spend too much time. I need to spend a lot more time adjusting this chart here, getting some new levels and seeing what's happening. But overall, pretty cool project. I mean, I'm not gonna say pretty cool project. I didn't look at the project at all, but just overall, this range here, you can see here, this little range right here that we were in for a couple of months. This is another point right here where if you look at this value area low, this support right here or resistance literally lines up almost perfectly with the point of control for that range. As you can tell here, we enter that range at the value area low for that range is 0.00598. If we get above that and hold it, then we're going to be potentially ranging this and rotating the entire range to the upside. So overall, looking pretty bullish. Expecting some type of pullback. Will probably get rejected here just because of how overbought we are with this token. So I probably expected a rejection here, probably heading back towards the value area high of March. So nasty time. Yeah, man. Nice, bro. Axgt, you look at Tame on Pulse. Bach, what's going on, Megali? Bach, what's going on? IMX gonna pop soon. I'm sure IMX is gonna pop soon, dude. IMX is a beast in the crypto gaming space for sure. For sure. All right, let's see here. Let me catch up with the chat. Hey, I build profitable trading system. Okay, cool story. Was eyeing our RSR for a couple of days now. I'm behind. Why does this look like Android quality? I don't know. Are you modeling? I'm charting. I don't know. Hey, yeah. Well, I was like, wait a minute. You can't see my chart, right? Yeah. Look at my chart right here. My chart over here. I hope you guys can see it. No, that would have been very disappointing. Let me know if you guys can't see my chart, man. Let me know. Arb, what do you think it's gonna do after the weekend? Could drop in any price targets. So I'll take a look at Arb here. Arb always reminds me of like pirate action. So as you can see here, the ranges that we've been for Arbitrum, right? We're sitting above the value area high right now of February, which is $2 and 0.025. Staying above that is bullish. As you can see here, we are also making a new higher high. As you see, we have a high, then we have a lower high here from this high, and now this high is higher than this one, so that is breaking the trend. We are following a pretty strong upward trend right here from this bounce of the value area low of February. As you can see, we're kind of just following this trend to the upside, which is very bullish. So Arbitrum is looking pretty strong. It needs to continue holding. There's obviously a lot of selling pressure up here, right? These local highs are always going to be a big pain. So 116 is going to be a target, and then 226 is also going to be another target. So we need to break above 116, hold that, and make a move above 225 to start continuing up momentum for Arbitrum. If not, if we lose this, obviously value area low is the $2.01 area that needs to hold. If not, we're going to potentially range down to the point of control, which is $1.88. And if that doesn't hold, then we got to hope for the value area low of $1.79. Those are the lower targets, and the upper targets. Appreciate every single one of you guys in the chat, smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe, trying to get to your questions as fast and as soon as I possibly can. Give me some detail about what your projects, if you're dropping projects in there, don't just drop the name. Tell me what you want me to do about it. Like, you want me to research the project? You want to see the chart? Like, give me some details so I know what it is that you guys are looking for. If not, honestly, I'm just going off the seam of my pants. I don't really know what's going on. Team Moist, did you ever look more into ARPA? No, man, I haven't had a chance. Sack Nasty in the house. What's going on? Cliff unlock soon. Who's gonna unlock? Is Arbitrum gonna have an unlock soon? Or Cliff? What's Cliff? Are you saying there's gonna be like a cliff, like it's just gonna drop because Arbitrum is having an unlock? That is true. If Arbitrum is going to have an unlock and it's gonna be massive, that could dip the price significantly. Yeah, I see Gawkbird saying Arbitrum unlock. Yeah, if they're having an unlock, then definitely expect some lower price action then, because that will reduce the price. That will just inflate the currency. So definitely. Give me a second here. Okay, Sat Arbitrum big coin release. Yeah, Saturday Arbitrum big coin release. East. Hang on tight, guys. Hang on tight, or get some dry powder on the sides to be able to buy up that dip. Taking some profits from AMP and swapping into ADA. Let's freaking go. ADA gang in the house. Let's freaking go. Let's see. Let's go take a look at ADA. See what ADA's up to. Where is my ADA? My ADA chart, man. All right. Let's freaking go. We're above the annual PIV for Arbitrum. For Cardano, for ADA. Very, very good. This is the, what is this? Oh, this is a local top range here that I had from December all the way to now in February. We're still above that. We've got above the 2023 annual PIV, which is very good. Let's see here. What else do we have? These are all other lower targets for Cardano. Let me zoom out here a little bit. See what's going on. So sitting above here, we've got a range. Let's get this April range, see what this April range is about. April 1st all the way to May 1st. I mean, April 30th. Sorry about that. Let's bam. Point of control. So right now we're inside this range from April of 22. Right, we're back inside this range. This is the last time we were up at this price level. We're inside this range right now. Point of control is 83 cents. If we can hold this value area low as support, we've been struggling to hold it, but if we can, the next target is 83 cents. If we can claim this level, right, and continue moving on up, right, whether we consolidate up here for a little bit before moving up, but if we rotate this full range, the value area high for this range is $1.07 for Cardano, baby. Let's freaking go, which is a move of 43%, 41% from where we're at, 10% to the point of control, 83 cents. When is this going to play out? I don't know. It could take days. It could take weeks. Bitcoin could double up in the next 18 days, and this is going to be a no-brainer move for Cardano. We will see. But overall, long-term, I'm very bullish on Cardano. I think long-term, Cardano is going to hit at least $5 in this next bull market. So very, very bullish on Cardano. Let's freaking go. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for the hat. Thank you for the lightning. Thank you for the roses. Sorry if I didn't see it. I'm trying to keep up with the chat. There's a lot of stuff going on. Solana chart. Yes, let's go take a Solana. I think Solana's been pumping. Let's look at Solana here. Oh, baby. coming towards that price target. That's what I'm freaking telling you guys. Let's freaking go. What I tell you, I was like, if we hold this point of control of $138, if we hold this, we can consolidate here for a few days, build some support before the next big move. And the value area high of this range is $173 freaking dollars. Let's freaking go. Round of applause. We're almost there, guys. We're at $163 right freaking now. This is only a matter of time before we keep running. Right? Maybe we get rejected here and come back. I don't know. I don't think so. But the end result is this target will be hit $174 in this range. We're on our way there, baby, to our price target. That's what I'm freaking talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Have you guys already talked about Nexus Chain? No, I haven't hit Nexus Chain yet. I'll hit it here soon. H-bar chart. Let's hit H-bar. I think I have a chart for H-bar. Do I have a chart for H-bar? Let me see. H-bar, where you at, bruh? H-bar, where you at? I think, yeah. No, I don't have. No, this doesn't count. All right, I will make this chart here from scratch. Let's freaking go. Dun, dun, dun. All right. All right. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Big U shape here. Big U shape. Jeez Louise. All right, let's get some ranges. Let's get some local ranges here. So let's get the December range. Bam. Let's get the February range. Well, might as well just get the January one since we're already here. No, that's not what I wanted. Let's get the February range. Okay, so we're right above the value area high for the range for February right now, above 12 cents. We've bounced off of that a few times here, as you guys can see. We've come down to this value area high of 12 cents and some change, and we've bounced off of it just 2 days ago, and we almost bounced off of it yesterday again. So this needs to continue holding. If that does not hold, then we're going to rotate to the point of control at 10 cents here, and that is lost. And the value area low is 9.5 cents for the area low for H bar, which is a total drop of, to the value area high is 7%, to the point of control is 17, and to the value area low is 27. That's a pretty big drop for altcoins. I don't expect that to happen unless we have some big freaking turn around in the market here. HY by far the most frustrating coin I hold. Yeah, dude, I wouldn't be surprised. A lot of the ISO 200 2022 tokens have been very frustrating to deal with in this bull market. Very frustrating because they just haven't really been moving. They sometimes have a lot of inflation. So overall, just been very frustrating. I hear a lot of people having the same issues, my man. I hear a lot of people having the same issues. Let's get this April range here for 2022. See where we're at with that range. All right, let's get the range for May. See where that puts us. May 31st. So we're above that range as well. So what this tells me here is that this was a very significant, quick drop from here to here, right? Very fast, rapid, not a lot of volume at all. As you can see, these volume profiles, basically no volume between 10 cents and 18 cents. There's not a lot of volume from back here in 2022. Therefore, we could, if we have a spike, if we have a move to the upside, we're not going to have too much resistance. We're not going to have too much resistance at all between where we're currently sitting and the value area low of this range, which is 18 cents, practically 19 cents. So there's a big volume gap right here in this level. There was a big drop very quickly. So we could have a decent pump to 18, practically 19 cents, which is the value area low for April 2022, because there's a very small, there's basically a volume gap here. There's no trading volume. It was just massive, just capitulation, just dropping. So that is good news for H bar. Mr. D's, Bok, what's going on, man? I appreciate every single one of you guys in here. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe, join the Crusader Army if you're not part of the army already. I would greatly appreciate it. So let's freaking go. Hit subscribe. If you're watching, if you want to watch over here,
good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another video.
Give me a second here, guys. That was a video I was watching. Check out World War Bitcoin. If you haven't checked him out, definitely go check him out. Great freaking content creator. But if you guys gonna watch over here. If you guys want to watch over here live, I would greatly appreciate you guys smashing those likes and watching. Watch my most latest video on update talking about Cocky Inu, Kimbo, and the Kulo meme coin on Matic. Go check that out. It's the latest video I posted as well. But let's jump back over here. Where am I? I'm getting lost now. Now I'm getting lost. All right, here we are. Nope, this isn't where we were either. We were here. H bar, low volume gap between 10 cents and 18, 19 cents. All right, up to the next one. Let's see. What are we hitting next? Let's go take a look at ICP. So I have been keeping an eye on this one. Let's see. What is ICP doing right freaking now? Give me a second here, guys. All right, ICP still ranging here, right? Still can't stay above 14, whatever, 1467. Still ranging down here. Can't get past 1519 for sure. That's been the major resistance here right now. If we can get past 1517, 1519, it's going to be very bullish for ICP as we can rotate this full range and we don't have a real big target until $20 or $21. And the value area high for this range is $26. But we just need to get above this, man. We've just been very suppressed under this resistance of $15. Alex is one of the best. Yeah, 100%. You missed out on Shinobi Ninja, bro. What is that? Is that a meme coin? Shinobi Ninja. Shinobi. What's the ticker on that? Shinobi. Yeah, I need the ticker for Shinobi Ninja. If you want me to cover it, because I don't know what it is. There's a Shinobi token. There's a Ninja token. I don't know which one it is. Need help buy what? Need help buy 10 more Bitcoin now or wait? That's a big purchase, bro. Are you like a Michael Saylor's son or something? Buying 10 Bitcoin. That's a lot of money, man. You're also buying at a very local top here, right? Very high price point, sitting right above the previous all-time high, right? But I can't tell you what to do, man. I can't tell you what to do with your money. This thing has just been astronomical. It's been defying all logic. Should we have pulled back by now? Yes, but the ETF demand is so massive for Bitcoin that, it is what it is. They're buying more Bitcoin than what they're selling. Bitcoin exchanges are running out of Bitcoin. Let's go take a look at some of the updates for the ETFs here. So let's jump on over here. Bitcoin futures open interest breaks all-time highs, surging past 2021 bull market levels, and we're not even with the bull market is just getting started, guys. We're already breaking 2021 records. Just in 73,000 all-time high. Yep. Willy Woo daily inflows of capital being stored by Bitcoin network just hit 2 billion per day. That's the level we hit in the last full-blown bull regime. This time it should climb much higher. Spot ETFs are opening up inflow pipes markedly. Yeah, so we're basically at same levels of inflows as we were back in the freaking 2021 bull market top, and we're just getting started here. Grayscale decreased 6,876 Bitcoin, which is roughly 500 mil, and they basically and currently holds 388, which is about 28 billion. BlackRock added 11,871 Bitcoin, which is about 863 million, and currently holds 215,000 Bitcoin, which is roughly $15.6 billion. So they are buying up a ton of Bitcoin they're buying up absolutely everything Grayscale is selling. That's why the price isn't dropping. They're outpacing what Grayscale can sell. And that's just BlackRock alone. Then we have Fidelity picking up another 721 Bitcoin. We have ARK shares picking up another 1,300 Bitcoin, right? If I click on this chart here, you guys can see it better. 1,300. Bitwise with 343. Visco Galaxy actually sold for 100. And then we got Van Eyck with 1,600. They just got rid of all their fees for the next year. We have Valkyrie picking up 500. Grayscale obviously selling the 6,800. So for a total accumulation of 9,100 Bitcoin have been accumulated today, eating up these sales, which is freaking massive. And in the last 7 days, there's been a total of 31. You guys can't see it right here. 31,000 Bitcoin accumulated by all these ETFs, and 26,000 was sold by Grayscale in the last 7 days, and we still have a positive 31,000 accumulated. BlackRock alone accumulated 32,000 in this last week, and everything else kept us above 31,000. So a massive amount of accumulation for Bitcoin, meaning Bitcoin's price is probably not going to dip too much longer unless we see a reversal of that. What is your best ETH prediction? I think ETH is going to go between $8 to $12,000 is what I think ETH is going to do here in this next bull market, especially with the ETF approval. If the ETF approval happens here in May, it's going to go parabolic, right? It's going to go crazy. If it gets delayed I still think it's going to get approved at some point in the next 12 months for sure. NZ says, keep up the good work. Love this content. Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate the kind words. Price prediction for Bitcoin. I have a Bitcoin price prediction video. If you guys haven't seen it, definitely go check it out. I highly recommend it. Really good information. I give my price prediction along with I analyze somebody else's price prediction for Bitcoin. Where is this thing? Where's my Bitcoin price prediction? Did I do it that long ago? No way. It's right here. 13 days ago. Go check it out. Bitcoin price prediction. Definitely go check it out. Nope, that's not where I wanted to go. So overall, I think Bitcoin is definitely headed towards 200,000. I think Bitcoin is definitely headed towards 200,000. Roxy Foxy says Arrow. You're talking about Aerodrome. Is that what you're talking about? So Aerodrome Finance, a token on the Base network. I made a video as well over here on my YouTube explaining how to transfer money over to Base and buy Base tokens if you want to buy them on a DEX. Go check that out if you haven't already. But let's jump back over here. Aerodrome up almost 3.5% today. Let's freaking go up 54% on the week, up 800% on the month. Let's freaking go. Let's go, Aerodrome. I'm holding this. This thing is basically a DeFi play on on Base. Oh, the central trade. Okay, I thought for a minute there I was getting an error or something. So it's a swap liquidity Aerodrome, right? But it's basically on Base network, and Base is the Coinbase network. I think this is going to perform very well. I'm very bullish on DEXs overall. Anything with DeFi and DEXs is definitely going to be a cornerstone on every different blockchain that you can get in on, especially if they're successful. I don't see why not, especially with Coinbase pretty much going to be overtaking Binance in this bull market. So that being said, I think Aerodrome is going to do very, very well. Let's go jump into some Aerodrome TA, see what I can chalk up here for some Aerodrome TA. It's on Coinbase. Let's freaking go. So let's see here. This is basically all of March. This is all of February. So overall, let me get this range here for just the month of March. As you can see here right now, we're well above the value area high. Obviously, we're heading into price discovery. We're heading into all-time highs for this token. This token's only been out for a very short period of time, and there's not a lot I can do here for charting purposes. I can do a little bit more in like the hourly or whatever, but I don't like going so micro. I kind of just like staying a little bit macro level stuff here. So if we do have a pullback, all right, this thing's up 800% in a month. If we see a 31% pullback, taking us down to the value area high of this December, or I mean this March range, which is 53 cents. Is that going to happen? Maybe, right? If we see a drop in the markets overall with Bitcoin, but if we don't, then I don't expect a drop for altcoins to be 31% like that. I don't expect altcoins to drop significantly unless you see Bitcoin drop significantly. So that being said, 31% is a significant drop. I don't think that's going to happen. As Bitcoin continues to pump, we're going to see a lot more altcoins pumping. Okay, let me see here. Let me catch up with the chat. Somebody says, can you give coins under $1 in DeFi game and privacy, maybe one in each? So in DeFi, one that I'm looking at for privacy, I'll tell you, it's real simple. It's Hopper. Hopper token is a privacy token. It's 25 cents. 88 mil market cap, very low, up 20% today. Let's freaking go. I didn't even know that. Let's go. 20% today, up 76% on the week, up 293% in the freaking month. Let's freaking go. Hopper is smashing it. So I like Hopper for privacy. Now for DeFi, there's a lot of different DeFi plays, right? We got Banky, which is borrowing and lending on AVAX. Right, it's down 9% today, but it's up 42% on the week. It's also sitting only at 3 cents. Market cap is 137 mil. Very low market cap as well. Month up 87%. So Banky is one. That's a DeFi play, right? Another one that's even smaller market cap than that is on. Oh, it's not even going to come up here. That's for sure. Let's jump over here. It's on the Bitcoin ecosystem, so this is extremely high risk, high reward situation, but it's on the Bitcoin ecosystem. It's called Ordi Bank, right? Or ORBK is the ticker. The name is Ordi Bank. It's sitting at 26 mil market cap. Price of this thing is 10 cents right now. It just launched like 3 days ago. This is basically trying to become the comp and Aave of the Bitcoin ecosystem to be able to borrow and lend against your BRC20 tokens and your Bitcoin. So that is another DeFi play, micro cap crypto. So very, very high risk. But there's a bunch of other DeFi plays, right? There's Joe token, Trailer Joe. There's Osmosis. There's Sui doing a lot of DeFi stuff. With Turbo, there's definitely a lot of DeFi plays that a lot of people aren't talking about. I can talk about that like literally all day. Roxy, no problem. I appreciate you dropping in the question, trying to answer as many questions as I possibly can, guys. If you don't see your question being answered, I'm trying to keep up with the chat as fast as I can. The chat here is zooming by. So if you want to jump on over and check me out over here on the tubes, I'm live here. The chat over here is definitely the priority and also, a lot easier to manage. So definitely would recommend you guys jumping over there if you want your question guaranteed to be answered. Hey, do you think I should hold IOS or sell? I can't tell you that, man. I can't tell you when to buy or to sell. That's not what I'm here for. I'm just here to look at levels, just here to tell you what I think looks good, what I like, what I'm doing in the market, right? Just sharing my experience here, looking at TA, looking at different levels, but I'm not here to give you financial advice on when you should buy, when you should sell. Basic strategies that I use. If I'm double or triple up in my initial position in something, I pull my initial investment. Therefore, you guarantee zero chance of losing money. Zero chance, right? You are going to not lose money. You're playing with profits. From there on, as the crypto continues to pump 50, 20, whatever percent, you dollar cost your profits out. And if you think very long term, this crypto is going to do very good for this bull market, you leave a moon bag for the all-time crazy highs, right? And you just dollar cost average some profits on the way out. Thoughts on XLM? I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of XLM. I'm not a fan of XRP. What are the safest 3 tokens to turn 100K to 50K, 100K to 500K this cycle, putting 33K in each? Bruh, my man, turning 100K to freaking 500x, 500K, right? You're looking for a 5x on your money, right? You could have probably done that with Bitcoin if you would have been buying Bitcoin at 16,000 at the all-time lows in the bear market. You could have probably do that as well with Ethereum. If you would have done that, if you would have been buying Ethereum down at literally 1,000 something, it was literally ranging at $1,000 forever in the bull market, in the bear market. Could have done that with that. Could have done it with Solana. Solana's had a massive rip. And you're talking about the safest. Those are the safest because those are the top cryptos, right? The highest market cap cryptos. Got Bitcoin, Ethereum, got BNB, Solana. Dude, BNB is up huge, up 44%, up over $600. Wow, I haven't even paid attention to that. Cardano hasn't had a massive run yet. Maybe it's possible with Cardano. Obviously you're adding more risk as you had lower here, but Cardano I think is going to go to $3 to $5, right? But 5x's, man, is very possible with some of the top 20 coins, especially if you were just getting in at the bear market lows, if you were dollar cost averaging in the bear market. But obviously, I can't tell you what to do. There's no financial advice here. But the bear market is where generational money is made, generational wealth. That happens in the bear market. That's why the bear market is so important, so critical, and so exciting. A lot of people find it extremely boring. It is boring because there's not a lot of hype, right? All you see is dips, but it's exciting for the fact that you know that you're buying crypto at literally dirt cheap prices, and that in the next year and a half or two, those things are going to sky freaking rocket. Do you recommend $1,000 in Bitcoin, Solana, or ETH? Which one? So it all depends, right? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to double up? Are you trying to 3x, 5x? What are you trying to do, right? Because a double for Bitcoin and ETH is very possible. We're literally at $4,000 for Ethereum, $70,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I definitely can see it hitting 140K, doubling up your 1,000 into 2,000. And Ethereum going from 4,000 to 8,000, very possible, also doubling up your money. Solana could go a little bit higher, could perform a little bit better, could possibly go from where it's at right now. What is it? It's at $160 something. It's $163 right now. I can definitely see this thing going, maybe at crazy all-time highs would be like $500. $500. So it all depends on what it is, your kind of returns you're expecting. Jisco, what is up? Giga Chad, what is going on? Appreciate you, man. Clay the Great in the house. Let's freaking rock and roll. How's it doing, man? I get an AVAX validator and bank on the interest. Clay, we need to talk about that, man. We need to talk about that. We need to talk about that for sure. Aurora just heard of, is it good? I'll take a look at that, Roxy. I think Crow will bust out here before long. They have been putting a lot into advertising. Yes, Ryan. I 100% been saying that Crow, Crypto.com Kronos, is going to freaking blast off. I got a price prediction for it back over here, right? As you can see right here, Crow price prediction. I'm very bullish on exchange tokens and centralized exchange tokens and DEX tokens. They're definitely not sexy, but they will move and they will rocket when you least expect it. So very, very bullish. Crypto.com's got a lot of marketing dollars. They did a lot of marketing in the previous bull market, and they're going to continue doing a lot of more marketing in this next bull market now with UFC, with their own Crypto.com arena. They had a ton of NFTs. They had a bunch of stuff going on in their exchange, in their app, in their DeFi wallet. A lot of things happening over there. So definitely take a look at Crypto.com if you haven't already. And they're also just a pretty good exchange to use. Where can I buy Sync without using Ethereum? You can't. You can't buy Sync without using Ethereum. Sync is an ERC20 token. It is sitting on Ethereum's network. The only way to get it is on Uniswap through the DEX. I think I'm mistaken. I think I'm mistaken on that. Hold on. I think Sync had a listing on Syncus. I think they had a listing on MEXC. I think they had a listing on MEXC. Yes, they did. So MEXC, if you go to that centralized exchange, you can buy it with USDT, with stablecoin. You can buy it there, and it'll probably save you on the gas fees. So yeah, I was mistaken on that. My bad. Thank you for bringing that up. Great question. Great question. Prai is just dumping like crazy. Yeah, man. It's been disheartening. It sucks that it's been doing that, but I think it's gonna come back, man. I think Produce AI is gonna come back. It's not doing great right now, but as we can see here, we're in this little apex. We're gonna break out of this thing either to the upside or downside. We're gonna find out here real soon. And I think overall, long term, Produce AI has very good utility. I don't see why it won't pump. I don't see why it can't, have a run. It's using AI. It's using real life utility, selling produce containers all around the world. I think it's got a sustainable business model. I don't know, man. It's a high risk play. Anything can happen. We will see. I'm going to be holding on to that for the long term here. Let's see. Let's look at Aurora. Somebody was asking about Aurora. Aurora. Bing, 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 bing. Up 67% today. Let's freaking go. 89% in the week, 132% in the month. Man, this thing has been ripping. Now, what is it? That's the question. What is Aurora? Aurora. What are you? Sitting at 239, 248 mil market cap, 43% circulating supply. What is Aurora? I feel like I've seen this before. Shooting for the stars. Excuse me, guys. Is the next gen Ethereum compatible blockchain ecosystem that runs on the Near protocol and powers the innovations behind Aurora Cloud, the fastest path for Web2 businesses to capture the value of Web3. So what is it that they're doing? Introducing Aurora Cloud Council. Are they some type of infrastructure clouding? Build on Aurora, simple, fast, affordable, provides Ethereum development experience with layer 2 like speed. If you're an Ethereum developer, you're getting started, easy changing. Aurora is a state of ecosystem price Oracle, AMM exchange, block explorer bridge, data index. Jump right in. Okay, so pretty cool. Building infrastructure play on Near protocol. So it's been doing really well, man. Holy guacamole. Maybe if it has a pullback, I'll buy some. I'm not going to chase a 67% pump on a day, I can tell you that. Guys, appreciate every single one of you guys in here smashing those likes. Let's get freaking hyped. Let's smash those likes. Get a little music. Let's get the blood flowing, guys. Let's get the blood flowing. Let's freaking go. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe. Join the Crusader Army if you haven't already. If you're watching here right now, I tell you guys, jump on over here to the tubes. Hit that link in the bio. Jump in there. Join the Crusader Army. You get the full screen effect. You get the chat prioritized to you. So definitely jump on over there and smash those likes, my friends. Greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's freaking do it. Thoughts on Jasmine? Dude, Jasmine's got built-in pumponomics. Let's freaking go. I don't hold any, but it is what it is. Giga is a 40% up today. I mentioned it in one of your past streams. Oh my, what is Giga? Is that a meme coin? Is that a meme coin, man? Is that a meme coin? Giga Chad on Solana. Is that what that is? Giga Chad? No way. No freaking way. Up 37% today. 14.4 million. Oh man. Missed that one. Giga Chad on Solana. Meme coin, man. Meme coins are crazy. Ready to DCA decisions. Crypto Cologne, what is going on, my man? Appreciate you all jumping in here. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. I want to see the little thing that bing shows you joining the Crusader Army. So make sure you hit that subscribe. Thoughts? What's your price prediction on Beam? I will be dropping a video with my price prediction for Beam here in this next week. Chill us some meme coins, bro. Dude, I don't really show meme coins. I cover a few of them here and there. The only ones that I'm really bullish on are Cock Inu and Kimbo. Cock Inu, Kimbo, and I covered Kulo token today. But thoughts on Clore AI? Oh man, let's talk about Clore AI. Let's talk about it. You guys shield me your meme coins. I like being shielded meme coins because you just never know. Some of them do really well. So Clore AI up 46% this week. Let's freaking go. Up 95% in the month. Chlor AI, if you don't know what this is a low cap crypto, 87 mil market cap, and is a direct competitor to Render, right? Render is literally a billions of dollars market cap, sitting at $4.3 billion market cap. If Chlor AI can even do a fraction of what Render is doing, and their website is showing what they're doing. They're getting rocking. They're rocking and rolling. They're building, man. They are building. This is Chlor AI's website that I'm opening up here right now. Their marketplace, their wallet, their statistics, what it is that they're doing with all the GPUs, decentralized computing, right? It's all here. It's awesome. I'm not going to dive into all of this, but I think this is a long-term play for me. I'm going to be holding this thing. I don't see why this thing can't get close to $1 billion market cap. We'll see. We'll see, right? That's high risk, but that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some high risk stuff. Okay, let's see here. Floki, I made a video on Floki talking about it. There was a lot of freaking huge gigabytes on Floki when we were live. Let's see if we can see any more massive buying here for Floki. $38,000 17 minutes ago. Somebody bought $38,000 worth of Floki. 26,000 an hour ago, 22,000. Nothing crazy like we did that other stream, dude. Like 2 days ago, literally we saw 100,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 all back to back in a time span of like less than an hour. So Floki was literally freaking rocking into all these massive buys. I think overall Floki's doing a lot of stuff. They're burning a lot of their crypto as well. What platform can you buy Floki? You can buy Floki in a lot of different platforms. Floki's already been around long enough that it's almost on all the centralized exchanges. I don't think they're on Coinbase. They're on Binance. They're on KuCoin. They're on OKX. They're on Gate.io. They're on obviously Uniswap, Bybit. I believe they are on MEXC as well. Yeah, they're on MEXC, BitGet, BingX. They're on all these things. So guys, yeah, lots of things happening for Floki. Pretty bullish project. I mean, it's a high market cap, very high market cap meme coin, but it's not going to be a rug. I can tell you that. It's not going to be a freaking rug. Guys, if you want to join my private community, definitely do so. Link is in the bio. Join my private community. Join in there. I have all my links. If you're watching on the Tickety Talkety, you'll jump into my link tree. You're also, if you're interested in trading, I am trading on BitUnix right now. Trying to do a lot of more trading live. I haven't been able to trade live lately, but I'm trading over here. If you want to trade here, you don't need KYC. You don't need VPN. They are based out of Dubai. Definitely pretty cool exchange, pretty straightforward. BitUnix. There's a link in my bio, referral link. You sign up. There is literally $5,500 for worth of newcomer rewards if you sign up with the link in the bio. Greatly appreciate it. Helps me out, helps support the channel. And if you want to start trading, no VPN, no KYC, go check it out. The link is in the bio for the Tickety Talketies. So definitely go check that out for anybody that's interested in trading. All right, let's get back to the chat. Thoughts on COC? Man, yeah, I covered COC a little while ago. I think we're going to go to this point of control. We already kind of bounced off of it. Even if we range here between 50.72 and 59.47 for the next couple of days, we're building a foundational level here because we are sitting at all-time highs. We need to do that before continuing moving upwards, but very bullish on it long term. Jisco says, you didn't miss it. This is going to 10 billion. I mean the real Giga Chad meme on Solana. I hope you're right, bro. I hope you're right, and I hope it does go to 10 billion. Vic and Cell running well for me. Okay, let's go check those out. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It's Avalanche. The ticker is reversed. It's Avalanche backwards. Up 23% today, 72% on the week, 56% on the month. Let's freaking go. Massive gains producing by Avalanche, which is a launch pad, I believe, for AVAX. 100 mil total supply. Circulating supply is only 14% right now. 27.92 mil market cap. Very, very interesting. And what was the other one? Oh, yeah, that's right. Cell is another one. Cell frame. Let's see here. Sell frame is up basically 10% today, up 100 freaking percent on the week. Let's freaking go. 123% on the month. Sell frame is printing freaking money, sitting at $62 million market cap. Man, Clay the Great always got the alpha, bro. Always got the alpha. Hopper, yeah, I looked at Hopper here a little while ago. I've been talking about Hopper on and off for a while. It's one of my long-term holds. Hopper is doing very well, up 23% today. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. You're missing out Shibanu Ninja. Okay, so it's Shibanu Ninja. Let's take a look at that. Shibanu. Oops, that didn't come out. What is it again? Man, this chat's just flying. Cell frame. Yep, there you go. Shibano Ninja. So it's Ninja. Is it this one? Up 194% today. Holy guacamole. That's a big move. If that's it, man, dude, congratulations. Congratulations on printing some money. What are your thoughts on PA of Chainlink? On PA of Chainlink? What, I don't even know what that means. Sorry, guys. Appreciate every single one of you guys smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Crusader Army. Join me over here live on the tubes. Hit that live. Jump on in there. Appreciate you and hitting that subscribe. Therefore, you join my community and can, once again, always stay up to date with me. Link is in the bio. But yeah, guys, become part of the Crusader Army. Hit subscribe on the tubes. I would greatly appreciate it. Definitely helps me out. Super underrated, only 20 mil market cap. Don't sleep on it. ZF token. Let's see what ZF is. ZF. Is it ZK swap? It's a 20 mil market cap. Yeah, isn't that what they said? They said it was a 20 mil market cap. ZK swap finance. Let's see here. Let's go over to their website. Welcome to ZK Swap. Start trading, earn, explore DeFi world. New farming. But is it available? Is it launched already? Yeah. Swap pools. They got a bunch of pools. This is on ZK era, which is zero knowledge for people that don't know. Zero knowledge, so it's a little bit more private. Pretty interesting. It's a swap. It's a DEX token. And you know I'm bullish on DEX tokens, baby. ZK swap. Let's freaking go. I might pick up a bag. It's up 15% today, down 7.8% on the week, 149% on the month. Holy guacamole. Maybe I'll wait for a pullback, but maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just dollar cost average here a little bit. I don't know. ZK swap looking juicy. I like DEX tokens, guys. I like DEX tokens. I like to be as diversified as possible in all my DEX tokens. How about Ninja on Injective? All right, give me a second. Do you have all these exchanges? I don't have all the exchanges tokens. I wish I did. You said Ninja on Injective. Ninja on Injective. Let's see here. Ninja on Injective. Oh, right here. No, this is dog with nunchucks. Is that what that is? So let's take a look here. 32 mil market cap. Another meme coin on Injective. Interesting. 32 mil market cap. Doing pretty good. Slow and steady growing. Slow and steady. Looking like a very healthy chart for a meme coin on Dojo Swap. Interesting. Jupiter. Yeah, Jupiter I think has been doing pretty well, man. Jupiter has had a big pump recently. Yeah, up 15% today, 59% on the week. Let's freaking go. Jupiter is sitting, at 94 cents right now. Oh, man, sitting right below a freaking dollar at 1.26 billion market cap. It is a large market cap, though. Can it go much higher? Yeah, it could go, 5x from here, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. Um, but Jupiter, definitely one of the interesting dexes on Solana. Have you looked into Inspect Crypto, partner with X platform? I did look at Inspect. I've seen them. You can inspect. You can inspect your NFTs. So Inspect right now is a 48 mil market cap, up 7.8% on the week, 43% on the month, only down 1.8% on the day. Sitting at 32 cents right now. Market cap, yeah, 48.5 million. I don't hold a bag of this. I know they partnered up with X, and you're using it for like inspecting the NFTs and stuff like that, but I don't really know what narrative it really fits in when it comes to crypto, and is it really going to have like a massive parabolic rise or not? I'm not 100% sure. I'm not saying that it's bad. I'm not saying that it can't pump. I'm just saying I'm not sure on it. What are your thoughts on the price action of Chainlink? Yeah, man, Chainlink has just been consolidating. We can jump into the chart of Chainlink here. Let's take a look at the Chainlink chart. Chainlink, here we are. All right, as you can see here, we're inside this big range, and marked by this blue zone. We fell below the developing range. Developing range here. Let me update this. All right, we're inside the value area. We're below the value area high. Right, we're sitting at $20 flat. We bounced off the pretty much the value area low. Jumped through the point of control, but we are heading down here. We did get rejected from this point of control here of $22 and some change. We're heading back down, possibly consolidating, building some more support here before the next run up. So we will see what Chainlink does here in the upcoming future. But I think overall Chainlink is going to do very, very well. Have you ever looked into Wilder World? Yes, I have. I've seen it. I've talked to them before. Very interesting metaverse. Very nice looking metaverse. Very high intense gravity. Cocky and you, cock-a-doodle-doo. Yes, 100%. We're always bullish on the Kakini over here, my friends. We're always bullish on the Kakini. What do you mean, H bar? I already hit H bar. H bar is looking like it's hitting some resistance, but it's overall going to do pretty well. Do you think SHIB will go higher? It might at some point, but SHIB is a super extremely high market cap. Crypto is like a 19 billion, so I would definitely be looking at something in the lower. There's a bunch of other meme coins, right? If you come over here to Coin Market Cap, ooh man, and go into the meme category, Sheeb is at 18.9 billion. Pepe is only 3.8 billion. Dog with Hat is 2.6 billion. Floki is only 2.5. Bonk is only 2.1 million. Kakinu is only 401 million. So even these have better chances, right? Bonk, Floki, Dog with Hat, Pepe have better chances of pumping a lot more than Shiba does, just for the simple fact that market cap is just really, really freaking high on that thing. Thoughts on VeChain? Very bullish on VeChain. I hold a nice bag of VeChain. I think VeChain is going to do very, very well in the long term. Could hit up possibly 30 to 50 cents. Let's see here. Flux or Chlor? I hold Chlor. I don't hold Flux. Is Flux going to do well? Probably. I'll probably do well. But I hold a bag of Chlor. Solana about to pull back. Will it pop again before the end of March? Yeah, so we covered Solana here a little bit earlier. I'll hit it up here real quick again because it's really fast and easy. But basically, Solana, as I said, meanwhile, we're above $138, $139. This is the point of control for the range that it's currently in. Price target to the upside is $174. You guys might not be able to see that line on the YouTube or the TikTok, but the price target is $173, $174. Meanwhile, we stay above $139 point of control for this range. Even if we come back down on it, right, doesn't really matter. Meanwhile, we stay above it. The price target to this value area high is $174. See, thoughts? Well, hold on, man. Fetch AI. I'm very bullish on Fetch AI. I have a price prediction video for Fetch. If you guys haven't checked that out, definitely go check it out over here. Fetch AI. I posted it 2 weeks ago on my tubes. Go check it out. Link in the bio. Go check out my my tubes. I got my price prediction for Fetch there. Let me see here. Have you looked at BEP on base? Yes, I have looked at BEP. Right, BEP. You guys, I'll pull it up here for you guys. BEP on. Is this it? Man, this thing just freaking launched 611% in the last 24 hours. Wow. Wow. Massive freaking run for BEP. Congratulations to anybody holding this thing. The last time I looked at BEP, it was literally at a $1 million market cap. At a $1 million market cap, this thing has skyrocketed to 13.2 million. Congratulations to all the BEP holders out there. Good for you guys. Good for you guys. AVAX $500 this bull run. Possible, maybe. Maybe we get $500 AVAX. I'm not 100% on it, but anything's possible, man. Do you buy meme coins? Yeah, I buy meme coins, Daniel. I don't buy a lot of them. Like I said, I have a little bit of. I have Cocky in you. I have Kimbo. I have some Kulo. I have. I've bought a few other ones that have gone bust. Right. I've made some money on some, but yeah. Meme coins are fun to gamble, right? It's like sitting at the crap table in Vegas. You just never know where you're gonna find. You never know where you're gonna hit. So they're definitely a little fun, but they're gambling. They're not investing. They're gambling. Let's see here. Like I said, I already covered Aurora. Aurora looks good. Arrow looks good. I already covered that as well. Let's see. XRP. Let's see. I have a chart for XRP. If only I can find it. So XRP in general, if you jump out here on the daily, target is 81 cents. That's the local all-time high here from back in 2023. We've been in this downward trend since then for a very long time. We finally broke above it. We could be seeing a retrace here back to this trend line of 63 cents. I will be looking for a long on XRP here if we do fall down to 63 cents, give or take, and I will be jumping for a long here for the long term if it bounces off of this, right? If it retests and it holds and it bounces, I will be looking for a long on XRP. I don't hold XRP, I don't like XRP, but I will trade XRP. Hook, thank you for the follow. I greatly appreciate it, man. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Let's see here. OPSEC, ZKML, looking pretty good, man. OPSEC had some FUD going around. I don't know where that ended up, if that got cleared up or not. I hope it did. I hope they're good. DGI game, man. Has had a massive freaking run. DGI game. It's down 8% today. But it was on a massive tear recently. Yeah, 400% on the month, man. 400% on the month. Now we're having a little bit of a pullback here. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback to be able to jump in and accumulate at some lower levels here for DGI. DGI Gaming. Low market cap, 61 mil market cap. Crypto gaming token. I think it's bullish. Covered Floki already. Let's see here. What else? Ninja and Injective, please. Covered that as well already. Nano, Casper, Solana, Thor, Filecoin. Yeah, Filecoin thing is going to do pretty well. It's been around for a long time. Let me see here. Casper. Everybody's asking about Casper. Let me jump into Casper, see what Casper's doing. Casper is up 2.5% today. 13% on the week. 54% on the month at 602 mil market cap. If you guys don't know what Casper is, I'll jump into the website here. The future proof blockchain. It almost blinded me. The future of unwritten past, but the past is immutable. Welcome to the proof, the future proof. Whatever Casper is simple, upgradable, decentralized, for macro trends. Casper is something that a lot of people are bullish on. I had a moment where I thought I was kind of pretty bullish on it. I don't know how I feel about it anymore. I don't really know. Um, I don't know. I don't hold the bag. I think I bought some in the bear market and then I ended up selling it, or I ended up never buying. I don't freaking remember right now, but there was something about it I was kind of hyped up about, and then I kind of lost interest in it. So I haven't really kept up with the project. I don't want to say it's a bad project. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying it's just not for me. It's just not for me. But I hope all you guys print some money and make some money. Let's freaking go. Smash those likes. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already, guys. LCX. Yeah, let's go jump into LCS. Um, Here's the chart for LCX. Coinbase. Okay, yeah. So LCX has been getting rejected from this 28-cent level, as you can see today. Yesterday we hit this upward trend that we broke out of it. We wicked back above, we came down. Then today we tried doing the same thing, came back all the way up to 28, 29 cents, got massively rejected and came back down. Meanwhile, this 25-cent level holds. We're good. 23-cent critical level. Can't lose that. If we lose that, we're headed towards 20, and we don't know if 20 is going to hold. We could drop lower if 20 doesn't hold there. We don't know. So 23 is the hyper critical level that we cannot lose. We can wick below it, but we cannot start closing below it. That would be very bearish for LCX. I can see it's a nice little consolidation here for a few days. Had a massive run. And it's an exchange token, right? Exchange tokens don't run constantly. They're now massive narrative, but like I said, they're not sexy, but they move, and when they move, they run. What about ODS swap? Do you think it has potential? Oh yes, man. Thank you for bringing ODS swap up. I love ODS swap. It's one of the ones I'm most bullish on. So ODS swap is sitting at 113 mil market cap, right? Hasn't really moved in the last 24 hours too much, still stuck within this range here that I showed you guys last time we covered it. I can't believe I actually forgot this. This is a DEX token for Bitcoin, right? It's basically the Uniswap of Bitcoin. Very bullish on Bitcoin's ecosystem overall, right? Even though Bitcoin's ecosystem isn't like astronomically popping off just yet, we will see a lot more of it as we get DeFi on Bitcoin and we start seeing Bitcoin hitting even crazier and crazier levels. People are going to be completely priced out of Bitcoin and they're going to be jumping into their ecosystem to make money. And Bitcoin's never had an ecosystem ever. So historically, this is the first bull run ever that Bitcoin has an ecosystem. It has ecosystem tokens. So I'm looking for the cornerstones of that ecosystem, aka a DEX like OrdiSwap, Aave, the Aave Comp alternative, which is Ordi Bank, which I covered here earlier. Those are the cornerstones. They're not popping off right now, but I think in the long term they're gonna do very well. This one's only been around for like 2 days. Yeah, 3 days. We're on day 3 right now since they launched. They're long-term holds for me. I think they're going to perform well. Mint Layer is another one. Stacks is another one for the Bitcoin ecosystem. Orange, Track, Alex Lab, all of those. Thank you for the follow. Greatly appreciate it. Hit that like, man. I really appreciate every single one of you guys in here right now doing what you guys do. Tell us how you hold Bitcoin alts. Yeah, I'm bullish on Bitcoin and I buy Bitcoin ecosystem tokens. Yep, yes I do. Yes I do. Man, this chat is flying. All in on Floki. Jeez Louise. DJs in the house today. DJs are in the house today. Mugfi says, nice. I hold a bag of OrdiSwap. Kind of hope it goes down a bit so I can buy more. Yeah, I'm buying every single dip I can on ODS swap. I'm very bullish on that. I think you can do very well. BEP, yeah, I covered that earlier. Freaking congratulations to all the BEP holders. Freaking thing just ran 600 freaking percent. Kari, let's hit Kari. Let's see what Kari is up to. So Kari down 1.5%, up 153% in the month. Let's freaking go. Hopefully this thing has a pullback. I do kind of like this crypto. So over here on CoinMarketCap, on their website, if you don't know what Kari is, basically they're bringing privacy to Ethereum. It's a V2 privacy-centric layer 2 solution for Ethereum built with groundbreaking privacy technology. It's another privacy token, which I like a lot. which is why I like Hopper, right? It's just a little bit larger of a market cap at 343 mil, and it's working on the Ethereum network. So if this thing has a significant pullback, I will definitely be scooping up a bag of Kadi because I like privacy coins. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Guys, if you're not already subscribed or on over here, jump on over here into the tubes, smash that like, join the Crusader Army. Greatly appreciate every single one of you guys supporting me. The chat over here, I prioritize the chat over here because it's very easy for me to read and catch up with. So I definitely recommend you guys to jump on over here and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Let's jump on over to see what else are we talking about over here, guys. Let's see what else are we talking about. Keep an eye on Modal Swap in its competitor of Ordi, also hat potential. Let me see what that is. Modal Swap. Modal Swap. Is that what it's called? Is the ticker just Modal or something? I guess not. Injective. I am bullish on Injective. I think Injective is going to do very well. Let me see. Do I have a chart for Injective? I think I had a chart for Injective. Injective right here. I think I'm gonna have to update this. Yeah, gonna have to update this. This is January. All right, let me see here. What's the February range? February range is all the way down here. March range. Yeah, hitting some new all-time highs. Hit as high as $52. Coming back down a little bit here. Oh, they're not listed yet. Okay, hold on. Potentially coming back down to the value area high of $44.57 here for Injective. Has some good support levels at 43 and 42. 41 is the point of control for March so far. So we'll see what Injective does, but Injective overall is very, very bullish, holding up strong. A lot of airdrops, a lot of staking happening over on Injective. So Injective is looking very strong in this bull market for sure. Thoughts, if any, on Arrow? Yes, Arrow, which is a DEX and DeFi on base. Arrow Finance, very bullish on that. Covered that a little earlier on the show. What program are you using to look at crypto? Well, I use Crypto Bubbles. I use Coin Market Cap. These charts are on Trading View. It's a free program. You just got to sign up, and you just got to sign up for it. It's free. So Modal Swap hasn't listed. Interesting. So where do I find Modal Swap? Is that like I gotta find it on the Twitters or something? Modal Swap. Modal Swap Bitcoin. Modal Swap is an upcoming CBRC 20 DEX built on Bitcoin layer 1. It feels like Uniswap but on Bitcoin. Interesante, mi amigo. No layer 2s, no custody. So when are they getting listed? Another beautiful day. I guess I'll have to keep up to date with what it is that they're doing. Modal Swap. Thank you for dropping that. Thank you for dropping that gem in there, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Let me see here. Covered LCX already. Meanwhile, we're above 25 cents. We're good. 23 cents is critical level. We cannot lose 23 cents. If not, things start to become very bearish for LCX. What's going on, everybody? I appreciate every single one of you guys smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe. It's in the coming months since they are testing the mainnet. Okay, interesante. ISO link. Yes, I covered that yesterday. So ISO link, I think it is. What is this thing? ICPO link, right? ISPO link. This thing needs a better name, but this is basically a ZipRecruiter, a freaking ZipRecruiter Indeed job application hiring application, but on the blockchain. So very, very cool. I like what they're doing. I like the utility. They're sitting at 13 mil market cap, very low, up 17% on the day. Let's freaking go, up 166% on the day, a week, and 400% on the month. Let's freaking go. I'm definitely going to wait for a pullback before getting into this thing. But overall, market cap is still really low, very high risk play. And that being said, but I do like their utility. They're basically, I'll show you here the website. They're basically a ZipRecruiter, right? They're a ZipRecruiter Indeed job place where you can find and apply for jobs or recruit people for jobs. So very cool utility. They just need a better name. I don't even know how to pronounce their name. Adam, thank you for the roses. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Greatly appreciate it, man. You know anything about Compound? Crypto coin, yeah, Compound is a DeFi play on Ethereum. Very well, very good. Did really good last bull run. Probably gonna do pretty similarly good. Okay. Ryan says, bro, please look at Kulo. Amazing run that keeps going. Is it still pumping? Is Kulo still pumping? Oh no, this is the wrong Kulo. Sorry, wrong Kulo. Right here. Kulo is at 38 mil right freaking now. Let's freaking go. Kulo is still pumping. Dude, Kulo is twerking its butt off, trying to get this thing to keep rocking and rolling, up 35% today alone. Let's freaking go, up 19% just in the last 6 hours. Jeez Louise. Sounds great. 13 mil is not much. If you can buy early, these potential is big, but let's wait and see how the test runs. Yeah, I agree. 13 mil market cap for ISPO is very low. Can still continue running. It's up 400% now. But can it keep running? Yeah, for sure. I think 13 mil is very low cap. A lot of potential to run. Kushcoin, thank you for the bandana. Greatly appreciate it. Until then, Swap is the way to go. Yeah, until then for sure. Thoughts on Superverse? Yeah, I'm bullish on Superverse. Bonk, I think is gonna do well. It definitely has room to run again. What do you say about Bonk? Yeah, covered that. RSR pumping. Glad you looked at it the other day. Yeah, let's go take a look at RSR. Very interesting concept. RSR is basically reserve rights. They are a crypto that allows you to build more stable coins based off real world assets and tokenizing those real world assets, which is very, very bullish. RWA narrative is a big narrative in this next bull market, and building stable coins off of those real world assets is very interesting. I think a decentralization and larger amounts of stable coins in the crypto market is needed, because if all the money is parked in USDC, USDT, and anything that goes wrong with those and they unpeg or they fail, it's going to be a collapse in the bear markets or in the crypto markets in general. We do not want to see that. So we saw that a little bit in 2023 when the Signature Bank started to collapse, and Circle had a ton of USDC money tied up there, and they kind of started to get wonky, and they depegged a little bit down to like about 80 cents. Yes, please. So definitely think is very important. Anyone remember when Coinbase was GDAX? I've always hated meme coins, but they are the ones that rip and make the most money during the bull market. Finally found one I like. Kulo. Let's freaking go, man. Thanks for the content. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate your kind words, your thoughts. I just like engaging with people, man. I like talking to people about crypto. Can you look at Near, wondering if it should hold or sell? Yeah, let's go take a look at Near here. So Near protocol is down 2.9, basically 3% today on the daily, up 32% on the week, up 141% on the month. Let's freaking go. This thing's been rocking and rolling. Kulo is the first and biggest meme coin on Polygon. Yes, it is. Lovematic, it's a small cap at 30 mil market cap. Addresses and holders going up every day. Great team behind it, doing tons of marketing. Yes, they are. They are definitely doing a ton of marketing. One of the creators, Moon Daddy, he fought at the Karate Combat event, against the behemoth, freaking what you call him? Blanking out his name right now. Crypto Crow. Um, so yeah, definitely a lot of marketing happening with Kulo token. A lot of good marketing happening for sure. So let's take a look at the chart for Near. Let's jump over here to Binance. Having a nice rip here. Let's so a nice range back over here, as you guys can see here. For the longest amount of time, from September 2021 to May of 2022, Near was practically in this entire range here for literally almost a whole year, almost a full year in this range. So a lot of trading volume here. So we just entered that range for Near protocol. We've just entered that range. Value area low of that range is $6.75. Meanwhile, we hold this level and we stay within this range. The point of control, which is the initial target, is $11.22. The value area high for this range is $13.23. We'll take this level by level. I'm sure there's some resistance along the way, but these are the major targets. But we need to stay above $6. We need to stay above this value area low here for Near protocol to continue staying in this range. If now we're going to lose this range and potentially head lower. VeChain, yeah, very bullish on VeChain. Ryan says George from Crypto Ords has a bag and shouts it out on his channel. That's huge. He is working with the team on marketing and the community too and building it. This is the one. It's still early. Interesante. I did not know that. They should make a coin that covers all top 100. Yeah, like an index token. That'd be pretty cool. ICP predictions for the next couple of months and after the halving. I think ICP overall can reach $100, maybe even a little bit higher in this bull market. But I'll be dropping a price prediction for ICP here in the next week as well. I know I've been saying that for a little bit, but I need to buckle down and definitely get it done. Definitely need to get it done. Look at all these tokens pumping, baby, pumping. LCX, I said I'm bullish on LCX. I think it's going to do well. It needs to hold 25 cents to keep moving up, and critical level is 23 cents. It cannot lose 23 cents. And that is going to turn very bearish. So we will see about that. Let's take a look. Let's take a look back at Kulo token still pumping. Let's freaking go. Let's take a look back at AXGT. AXGT is up 46% today. Let's freaking go, man. This thing is pumping, baby. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Let's freaking go. AXGT, decentralized science project, ripping, rocking, and rolling. I freaking love it. Let's go. Let's see. Kakini is still sitting sideways. Sync is still sitting sideways. AXGT, baby. Let's freaking go. Let's take a look at Produce AI. See if this thing's had any change of mind and decided to move on up. Not yet. It hasn't decided to move up yet. Still trying to make up its mind. Mine AI. Let's see. Mine AI up 29%. Okay. 29%, but still sitting at this value area low of this range. I am underwater in this position. I jumped in at 2.5 mil. We're down at 1.5 mil. For Produce AI, I jumped in around 5 mil. Technically right above water right now, just staying afloat with Produce AI. We'll see. Hopefully these things can produce and they can pump back up. There's a lot of strong consolidation down here. We will see, man. We will see. They can't all be winners, but hopefully they are. It will pump soon. Yeah, man. I hope so. Thanks, brother. I made a lot of money because of you, man. It's not because of me. It's because of you, JJ. You hit that buy button. You hit that sell button and took profits. It's all thanks to you, bro. Don't undervalue yourself like that. Yes, my princesa. I love you. I appreciate every single one of you guys jumping in here, smashing those likes, hitting that subscribe if you haven't already. Guys, jump on over to my YouTube, hit that subscribe over here, hit that like if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys watching and subscribing. Also, if you're not in my private Telegram, hit the link in the chat in the bio on TikTok. Join in there, hit the link tree, join my private Telegram. Greatly appreciate that. And if you're looking to trade, check out BitUnix. I have a link for it in my link tree as well. $5,500 in bonus money for people signing up right now for newcomers. Check that out as well if you're interested in trading. Join my private community. Greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. Join the Crusader Army. Let's continue crusading through these blockchains. And until next time, see ya.